welcome to Amyra's kitchen. Do you know what's cooking? Today I have taken a secret recipe from the plant. Do you want to learn the recipe? Okay, let's start on Easy Learning with Amyra. Let's learn about the process of photosynthesis with Easy Learning with Amyra. Let's go to the kitchen first. This is the kitchen. Their leaves. The plants cook in their leaves. Leaves contain a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll makes the leaves green and helps them to capture sunlight. Let's start cooking. First thing we need is sunlight. Let me get some sunlight from outside. Plants love to soak in the sun like we enjoy a bright and sunny day. The second thing we need is carbon dioxide. Let me get some carbon dioxide from the air. Plants love to breathe in carbon dioxide like we breathe in oxygen. The final thing we need is water. The plants take water from the soil. So the three things we need is sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Now let's put everything together. Then we mix. This is what the plants eat. Carbon dioxide, sun and water. The food is ready. It smells wonderful because it's giving out oxygen. Oxygen makes us breathe. And the plant's food is called glucose. So guys, remember, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. Plants need three things to make their food: sunlight, water and carbon dioxide.